Hello! Today we're looking at the project workflow, and I will show you how you can make changes to it in a very quick manner. Navigate to System Settings, and there the Workflow section. You will see we have an active workflow called New Workflow. The steps that you saw on the dashboard screen are displayed, and you can see how the arrows connect the different steps one to another, forward and backwards. Imagine you want to change the name of a stage. From Artwork Creation to Create Artwork, just click on the name and change it. If you need a new stage, navigate to the New Stage form field, include the stage name and click Add a Stage. It populates on the screen. You can change the default color with the circle. Drag it to the right location and create the connection between the stages by dragging from stage A to stage B to generate an arrow. Imagine you need to remove a stage. I will create one and show you how to remove it. Just select it and drag it to the side of the screen. You will see a little bin appearing, and then the stage disappears. If it had any connections, this will also disappear. Once you're done, be sure to click Save Workflow on top of the screen. When the changes are saved, you will see the new information in your dashboard screen. My advice: give the existing workflow a try, and if you need to make changes, now you know how to do it. Cheers, and have a good day.